prepare for making the video?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So let's start the video. Okay. What is the name of this? This is hand. Okay. What is the name of this place? This is palm. Very good. Okay. And then what is the name of this finger? This is thumb. Okay. And then what is the name of this finger? Index finger. Right. Say loudly. This is index finger. Okay. What is the name of this finger? Middle finger. Right. Okay. Right. Very good. This is middle finger. Okay. Do you know what is the name of this finger? Ring finger. And then at last, what is the name of these fingers? This is little finger. Okay, everybody know?